All right, so good enough. I mean, honestly, this hardly um, drilled down the app. I mean, it was already pretty close, so I just decided not to do anything new. I just went back to the old version because it's just gonna get all messed up anyway. So I have another copy here. I don't even need this. We'll just delete that. I mean, I don't want to delete that, but I'll just keep it there. Maybe I'll just rename it. Call March 15th. Rename. .old March 15.js. Just in case. But what I want to do now is I would like to, when you log into this app, and we're gonna say I do that. I don't want to go to a new page. I want it to just have a frickin' box that pops up and keeps us on the same page and says invalid password. So let's see if ChatGPT-4 can figure out what I need. Okay, let's modify my Express.js app. When someone signs in, I want them. I don't want when someone signs in with an invalid username and / or password. I don't want them to be taken to a new page. I want it to stay on that page and it just prints out, invalid password or something like that. Here is my index page where here is my sign in handle page. Okay, and then we're gonna go back here. We're going to, is it login? Is it login? It is login. About login page. Let us hope. To achieve this behavior, you can use JavaScript to make an asynchronous request to the server when the user submits the form and then updates the page content without reloading it. First, you must modify the page to include the element to display the error message. Okay. Slower but gooder. Okay, fair enough. So, and we want this login.js script. Create a new JavaScript file named login.js in public /scripts. Okay, so let's create that folder now. So it's in public / do I even have a scripts folder? I don't. So let's do new folder. I don't know why this folder hasn't been created already, but I did search in folder. No, not address. I definitely don't want that. What it's about to give me. Computer's just freaking crawling. There we go. So this is our login.js file. Okay. I like that, dude. I like where we're going with this. Makes sense. And then finally modify the sign-in route to your app.js. And this is the all-new sign-on app.post route /sign-in. Which is going to be here. This app.post/sign. Okay, sign in, not sign up. I'll get you. Okay. Seems all right. Let's reload the server and see if this works. Now what I want to do is I want to do this. We go here. Unreal, man. Easy peasy. So now we are handling this Ajax request with a custom JavaScript file, and we no longer get redirected. I wonder if I go back to the home page and I do the same, it's obviously unauthorized. It just says okay. So let's do one more thing. Index.handlebars. Let me check the server, make sure there are no errors. Right? Okay. I'm sorry if this is boring. I'm just like keeping a close eye on the output to make sure that, you know, just making sure nothing breaks or whatever it be. Create the new home. Okay, I need home.js. Okay. I have to make a new file too, I guess. So here is this. And this. We got our new index. Okay, and this reference is home. Ooh, it broke. It broke. It crashed. It crashed. It crashed. I can't believe it.